With the coronavirus going on globally now, we really have uncertainty amongst all nations. Right now, there is a big panic, and a lot of these travelers are being quarantined at checkpoints and airports because they are restricted of travel from east to west. The stock market is not doing well, and we're starting to see some turmoil coming out within the stock market. You look at this global equities, this is a decline here, and this is a huge decline within a short window. So the stock market is really not doing well of fears of the coronavirus. So investors are really looking to either buy, sell, or hold. Really, nobody really knows what's going on. So what investors are doing is taking their money out of the stock market, putting into a safe haven as the bond market. But there's hope. With the decline in the stock market, this has opened up opportunity for people out there to refinance their home. We have not seen mortgage rates this low since 2012, and many are scrambling to see if they can pay off student loan debt, personal loan debt, and just debt in general, or maybe refinance into a lower rate. Now might be the time to refinance your home, and I'm going to provide a checklist of things that maybe you can consider for refinancing today.
Hey everyone, this is Dan French here with Guaranteed Rate. With the coronavirus dominating the headlines right now, we do take this as a serious matter. I also wanted to keep you informed on what's going on with the market conditions and mortgage rates. We've taken more mortgage applications in this first quarter than we did all of last year. We are in a refinance boom right now that we have not seen before, and rates haven't been this low since 2012. Many homeowners have taken advantage of refinancing their home, but many have not. So we've seen a lot of volatility with mortgage rates. Overall, they're still historically low. We're going to consistently see them going up and down, but the trend overall has been going lower. So right now is a great opportunity to take advantage of these low interest rates. So as a homeowner, when should you refinance your home? That's always the question that I get. So I put together a few bullet points on when you should consider refinancing your home. So the first bullet point I want to talk about is, what is your current interest rate as a homeowner? If you don't know, you could find that on your mortgage statement. If your interest rate is 4% or higher, you may want to consider refinancing your home at this time. The other question I get a lot is investment properties. Do you have an investment property? Are you an investor, and are you looking to get a better return on your investment? Right now rates are low, and this might be the time for you to refinance your home. We do refinance investment properties, cash out. Sometimes they pull the equity out of those properties and use that for another down payment on another home. So there is opportunity out there if you own an investment property and you would like to consider refinancing your home. So the next question I get is for FHA and VA buyers. FHA and VA buyers that currently own a home are looking to refinance into a lower interest rate. And what's involved with that? Really, it's a limited documentation loan. You look at the opportunity with this, there's no income verification, there's no appraisal requirement, and you're literally streamlining your current FHA or VA loan into a new one, lowering the interest rate. Opportunity is there for this. And I'm going to tell you guys, people are saving $200, $300, $400 in just reducing their rate and absolutely doing nothing. Very limited documentation, very streamlined process, so you may want to consider doing an FHA or VA streamline. Home improvement. Right now, we have more equity in properties that we've had in history. People are taking advantage of this by pulling out money out of their home, maybe putting in that pool, upgrading those countertops. They're doing something with that money or that equity in that property to improve the home. And right now I have a lot of people doing this and getting the opportunity to upgrade their current home. The next question I get a lot is debt consolidation. And when should I refinance and use the equity out of my home to pay off my current debt? If you're somebody out there that's accumulated $5,000 or more in debt, student loans, car loans, credit cards, now is the time to refinance that equity out of your home, pay off that high interest rate debt, and get it into a lower interest rate. Credit score, 620 credit score for most products. You know, FHA, VA, especially for streamlines, that's the starting point. Conventional loans, that's not going to help you that much on interest rate. But what it will do is it could get you an opportunity to remove mortgage insurance, and that's the starting point, 620 or higher for conventional loan. And lastly, the last topic I want to talk about is savings on your payment. People that own a home and have a mortgage, they're always asking me, when would you refinance your home? What is that savings? Where is that barometer at? I always tell everybody, if you're saving at least $100 or more, consider refinancing your home. Everybody has different goals, so that might not be enough in your savings, but a lot of people want to take advantage of these low rates, and $100 is usually that starting point to refinance your home. So I always look at that. If you guys want a loan reevaluation, give me a call. You have a link below, and you can start the process and see if you have savings or what savings you could do today. So rates are historically low. We haven't seen rates this low since 2012. And if you have not looked at the idea of refinancing your home, now might be the time to either lower your payment, do debt consolidation, do some cash out maybe to improve your home. But you can look at all this information. You could find out if there's savings for you on your payment, or find out if you qualify for a refinance loan with this link below. So I want you guys to take a look at this, fill out the information, and we'll see what savings we can do for you guys today. This is Dan French with Guarantee Rate, and we'll talk to you at the next video.